Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you the finished look of the bridal shrug that I did the tutorial and on how to start it top down without doing the short rows, and I think it turned fantastic. I did do lots of new techniques on this shrug just to want to show you, and I think it turned out fantastic. I used a different method on knitting the rib to give that nice thickness. So usually what happened was, even when I'm doing short rows here, as you can see I did a couple of short rows. So what happened was, when I'm knitting the rib would be going down, but this way I control that, and as soon as I start another shrug, bridal shrug, I will do a tutorial and share it with you. It's a new technique that I figured out while knitting this, and I think it turned out pretty good. It's a V-neck. Okay, remember I cast on, I knitted this part and I picked up stitches to knit this, and then I kept on doing my increase, so the sleeve area is a little bit different, so it gives you that nice soft look. It sits on the shoulders, and I think it turned out pretty good. But I am going to be doing new technique. I keep on trying to improve myself, but this one took longer than I was anticipating. Usually it takes me 3 to 5 days to knit a bridal shrug. This one took me over 5 days. I did not do any short rows, but I did follow that technique, and I will put, it's just a video before this one, and yeah, so I like how it sits, and this will fit, one size will fit every size. I would say small, medium, large, extra large. It will fit comfortably with this size that I have, with this technique that I have knit. And the customer wanted 2 buttons, which I added. These buttons, I buy them from AliExpress. Oh, Etsy, I think. Etsy or AliExpress. Because Etsy, the prices are pretty expensive, so I've been buying them lately from AliExpress. I will try to put the link if they're still selling. Sometimes these buttons are really hard to find. And I used up about 400 grams, just under a pound of yarn for this bridal shrug. Here's the sleeve. It's just a short video just to show you, because I'm going to pack this and it's going to ship to UK, and I think it turned out fantastic. And with these customs orders, I always try to improve my techniques. It's very elegant, soft, long sleeves, and she wanted long sleeves. So from underarm, it's about 20 inches long from underarm. And bicep area, I believe it's 14. This is the biggest part of your arm. That's very important. Yeah, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I'll try to answer. But other than that, yeah, this is one of my improved techniques that I knit for top down bridal shrug. It turned out, from here it's actually 7 inches from the underarm, but it looks like it's longer due to the back. The back is longer because, as you can see, this part is high. I even tried it on myself. I didn't wear it because I don't want it to, you know, stretch. It just fits fantastic. While I was knitting, I didn't try it later, but when I put it on the mannequin, as you can see how it looks, this is what I'm aiming for. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah, I want the back to be higher, so when you wear it, it's very comfortable. It won't fall down. Usually what happens is I see lots of people who knit or crochet, what they do is they don't do short rows, and the neck area is too big and it keeps on falling, so I don't want that. And I did go through that when I was new. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. It's 80% Angora rabbit yarn and 20% wool, I believe, yeah. And the yarn was from France. I used them all up. So I hope you like this short introduction that I just wanted to introduce you the finished look, because on the 27th when I do my live stream, unfortunately this will be gone. So this is one of my finished items for the month of November, and I just really like how it looks. Yeah, while you guys are here, I'll show you my candles. I bought these candles from Etsy years ago, years and years. She no longer sells them, and they still smell fantastic. Oops, can you see? Oh, it smells cinnamon, but it's a candle. And then I bought some wax from her. I used up what I had, and I didn't use the remaining, so I left it too, just to be, you know, it smells nice here. And here's another muffin. Oh, my mouth is getting watery. Doesn't this look nice? Yeah, I wish people could make candles like this. On Etsy again, a Canadian fellow, well, she put a pineapple. She put this, so I assumed that she was selling this because there was no finished of the candle, and I bought it and it arrived this how in a jar, so I was kind of disappointed. But what else can you do, right? So I messaged her and she said, no, I don't do that. Well, she shouldn't put the pineapple, right? But yeah, but this is the pineapple candle, as you can see. See, this is what I'm looking for. If you guys see any of these candles, let me know. They don't pick up dust. That's another thing. Can you see? There's a little bit of dust, but not that much. It's been sitting here, I don't know, 10 years now. Okay, you guys take care, and I will see you on my next video. So I finished this non-stop. I've been knitting till 4 a.m. and then going to bed and getting up early, sleeping like 5 hours, and continue knitting. Lots of knitting involved. So I will continue knitting on my next order. And I am planning to do a couple of tutorials, but let me figure out first, and I will come back. I just really like the neck, how it's sitting. That's what I was looking for. So stay tuned for my next tutorials. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, everybody, and take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and take care.